Hello fellow YouTubers, I'm Richard Williams Jr. and I want to welcome you all to the first installment of Politically Ratchet. Today's episode is going to be about something that we've all encountered before, body odor. And this show is not meant to offend anyone out there. It's really just so that you can see what we go through when you're around. We've all been in that situation before. You've been next to someone whose body odor was so irate, so erroneous, so loud that you felt assaulted. And we also have that rule of thumb, don't we? That if I can smell you, you can smell you. Right? Hey, Derek, what's going on, man? How you been?
I mean, you know, doing.
What's, yeah.
Good, bro?
Yep, yeah.
Shit. Headphones, you know, Cameron got a new mixtape out. Now he coming out with a mixtape. I gotta get my game up. I gotta step back in the studio because you know Nick done sent me this beat.
It's like zero degrees outside. I was walking.
Kitty litter ain't got shit on me.
Fuck your Febreze.
Give me all your nose hairs, bitch. Yo, bro.
Huh?
You good, man?
Yeah.
All right, bro. I'm up out of here, bro.
Okay.
All right, man. I'll holler at you later.
All right.
All right, for sure.
Help me. Okay, YouTubers, that concludes the first show. I hope that you enjoyed it. And for those out there, I'm sorry I had to be politically ratchet. If you like this show, make sure you do 3 things. I need you to like, comment, and subscribe, alright? And I'll see you next time. I'm out this.